Infrared radiation, also known as heat radiation, is a fascinating form of electromagnetic energy that surrounds us every day. It plays a crucial role in how heat transfers through space and is the foundation of thermal imaging technology. Infrared radiation is a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths longer than visible light but shorter than microwaves. Its wavelength ranges from 700 nanometers to 1 millimeter. This means we cannot see infrared radiation with our naked eyes, but we can definitely feel its effects. To understand where infrared fits in, let's look at the electromagnetic spectrum. Infrared radiation sits right between visible light and microwaves. On one side, we have the light we can see with our eyes. On the other side are microwaves used in ovens and communication devices. Infrared occupies the middle ground between these two. Infrared is called heat radiation for three important reasons. First, all objects emit infrared radiation based on their temperature. The hotter an object is, the more infrared it emits. Second, when infrared radiation is absorbed by an object, it increases the thermal energy of that object, making it warmer. Third, while infrared is invisible to human eyes, we can feel it as heat on our skin. Thermal imaging is a powerful technology that uses infrared radiation. Thermal cameras are special devices that detect infrared radiation emitted by objects and convert it into visible images. These images show us the temperature differences between different objects or different parts of the same object, making the invisible world of heat visible to us. Thermal cameras work through a three-step process. First, they detect infrared radiation coming from objects in their field of view. Then, they convert this radiation into electrical signals that can be processed by a computer. Finally, these signals are displayed as a color-coded heat map, where different colors represent different temperatures. Typically, warmer areas appear in red or yellow, while cooler areas appear in blue or purple. Thermal imaging has numerous practical applications in our modern world. In medicine, it helps with diagnosis and fever detection, especially useful during health screenings. Search and rescue teams use thermal cameras to locate people in darkness or through smoke. Building inspectors use them to find heat leaks and check insulation quality. Military and law enforcement agencies rely on thermal imaging for night vision technology, allowing them to see in complete darkness. Let's recap what we've learned. First, infrared radiation is electromagnetic energy with wavelengths beyond visible light. Second, all objects emit infrared radiation based on their temperature, which is why it's called heat radiation. Third, thermal cameras detect this heat and create visual temperature maps that we can see and interpret. And finally, thermal imaging has wide-ranging applications in medicine, rescue operations, and building inspection, making it an invaluable technology in many fields.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.